Hello everyone. Today we'll see how to create a chatbot with Power Virtual Agents. So I've just in my Power Apps and I've clicked on chatbot create. And when I click on new chatbot, it is going to redirect me to a different window which will have these option to choose country or region. It's by default coming as India. I'll just click on start free trial. So basically, with Power Virtual Agents, we can create chatbots, which we can integrate with different Microsoft applications like Microsoft Teams and other relevant applications. So now it's saying, let's try that again. Something went wrong. Okay, I'll click on try again. Okay, now it's asking for my ID. I'll click on sign up. Okay. So since I already have my ID, already have the license, so it just okay. So here we can uh, put a bot name, say it as a test bot, and okay, here I can select different environments. So I'll select dev environment and I'll click on create. So in background, it is preparing the components for the bot so that I can design the bot as per my requirement. This is one of the key features of Power Platform. So it prompts a message for exploring the Power Virtual Agents. We can close it. Okay. So here it gives us as I mentioned, it gives us different options uh, to choose, and as it says that it's in the step 2 of 4, and it's assembling the necessary files. When your bot is ready, you can save your work, see analytics, and deploy it. So this is on the second step. So now what we can do is we can quickly check what all things are available. I've clicked on topics. So it actually explains how we can use the Power Virtual Agent to create a bot, and it by default shows about some topics like it can have a simple topic which will have some. Let me click on this. So basically, every like in the first lesson, it shows a simple topic. So it it can have different trigger phrases like when you are closed, when you are open, store hours, or daily open hours. So it's bit specific to a let's say a specific business or any kind of a functionality. Okay, so it can be accordingly configured. Okay, so here uh, so I'll just type and I'll click on add. So we can add the trigger phrases. I've added one custom trigger phrase are you open on weekends? Okay. So yes, then okay. So yeah, when I clicked on store hours, it just posted it on my chatbot. So it automatically gave me a reply. I'm happy to help with store hours. The Redmond hours are and the days of working and the time. So it automatically also asks, did that answer your question? So I'll say yes. Also, it asks for a survey. So I'll just also I can also click on check store location. So maybe it would give me. I'd be glad to help. Store near which location? So it basically shows me three locations at which the store might be present: Redmond, Seattle, and Kirkland. So maybe if I click on Seattle, it would show me the address. Yeah. So it's pretty helpful as compared to it is, I mean, it's helpful when we integrate this kind of chatbot or power virtual agents with teams. So it would definitely help. So here, as it was in background, it was creating the completing the steps to create the bot. Now I got the message that the bot is created. So it is saying that you can now use Power Virtual Agents with full functionality. Okay. So if I want, I can save this topic. Okay. Oh, I think it gives some error. Now it had enabled the entities analytics and how I can manage when I want to create a bot. So I can click on entities to see what all entities would be available. So these are the, I think, default entities which are available with respect to the Power Virtual Agents when we try to create a chatbot. Okay. So see, as I mentioned, it shows that it's pre-built entities. Okay. So maybe yeah, we can make use of these entities and we can see how we can create a new bot. And also, it also gives us the option to create a new custom entity. So it's pretty much configurable that we can use or create a custom entity, and we can accordingly design the chatbot as per our requirement. So yes, this is about the basic uh, on how we can use the Power Virtual Agents to create a chatbot. I mean, however, in this video, I'm not showing how we can create a chatbot. Maybe in the next part, we can go through it. So, thank you, everyone.